Meaning of document case.
Document case.
Document case.
Document case.
Document case. A document case is a type of briefcase that is specifically designed to carry and protect documents. It usually comes with different compartments and pockets for efficient organization of papers and files. The exterior of the case can be made from various materials such as leather, vinyl, or metal. Some document cases may also come with additional features like locks, shoulder straps, and handles. They are commonly used by professionals like business executives, lawyers, and government officials who need to carry important papers and documents to meetings or court appearances.